I've just found out about this new strategy, guys, where you just have to watch a video and you will earn $1 automatically in Bitcoin. This strategy has nothing to do with those annoying ads. It also doesn't require any knowledge from your end. And since I'll be showing you multiple platforms, make sure you stay patient and watch all the way till the end so you don't miss any of them. Just before we get to the video itself, guys, if you like this type of content and you would like to see more of it, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of my new videos that'll follow, click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video has been uploaded. And with that said, now let's get to the actual video. The first of the many sites I'll be showing you today is called lightgpt.com. This is a fairly new website, guys. It hasn't been around for that long. However, what it does have is excellent reviews on Trustpilot. And as you can see, it has a rating of 4.4 stars with over 300 reviews. This, more than anything else, should show you that we're talking about a legit website and not a scam whatsoever. You can read all these reviews, guys, see it for yourselves, but I won't waste your time. So let's get back to the actual site. Now, if you scroll down here, you will come across this section called Earners Benefits. And there are some very good ones that are part of the reason why I'm showcasing this site today. First off, there are more than 8 ways to earn money, so this site isn't focused on just surveys or whatever. You have many different ways to get paid. Just below that, you see that you just need 50 cents in order to be able to withdraw your money. This fact makes this site stand out from the rest because many such sites require you to earn way more money before you can withdraw it. LightGPT, however, does not. The next thing on this list is something very important to us. It says, withdraw in dollars or BTC. So you can get paid in Bitcoin with this website. In case you don't want to, you can also withdraw your earnings in dollars. I'll leave that part up to you as always. Anyways, the rest of these benefits consist of unlimited direct referrals, cheap upgrade plans, you receive daily bonuses, which is nice, and you get to make money in passive income. To the right of these benefits, you see the most common ways people earn money on this site, and watching video ads is the most common way, and also the best way, in my opinion, guys. Now, these are not those classic annoying ads you get to see all the time. They're actually very high-quality ads, and these advertisers pay LightGPT a lot of money in order to get some exposure. As such, you get paid very, very decently by watching them, and you don't even have to watch them per se, which is my favorite thing about them. Just leave the video playing in the background while you're off doing something else. With that said, guys, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the amount of members this site has, as well as the amount of money they've given out, which is nearly 200,000 members and around $7,000 respectively. Just below that, you have these services that this site has to offer that you can check out. I won't go over that. What I want to show you instead is located just below, the payment proofs. The reason I'm showing you this is to remove any remaining doubt about this website. The second one is to show you that this works worldwide. I mean, just check out all of the countries you have on here. You've got people from Europe, Asia, North America, literally from all over the globe that are making money with this site. They get paid either in Bitcoin through Faucet Pay or in real cash through Payeer. In any case, where you are coming from doesn't matter one bit as far as this website is concerned. Speaking of Faucet Pay, if you want to get paid in Bitcoin, you need an account there. So if you don't have one, you want to come over to faucetpay.io and click right here where it says sign up. From there, you just have to enter in your username, email address, password, and then you want to tick this box signaling you agree to their terms and conditions. Finish the CAPTCHA and click on sign up. And boom, now you have an account and you can get paid through Bitcoin. However, you don't want an account on Faucet Pay just so you get paid through Bitcoin. You can actually earn money on here as well. If you hover your mouse over earn, you can see that you have offer walls, surveys, paid to click, and other offers for you to complete to get paid. So after creating an account on here, it's not a bad idea to finish some of these and earn some decent cash for free. Anyhow, let's get back to LightGPT so I can show you exactly what you want to do when you first come on this website, which is, as you might guess, create an account. You'll do that by simply clicking on register here. And once again, just enter in some of your basic information, complete this verification, tick these 2 boxes, and click on register. And you're good to go from there. As promised, guys, I will be showing you multiple websites that you can use to maximize your profits. The second website is called bucksinside.com. And right away, the moment you get on their homepage, you will notice that they will pay you instantly, so you don't have to wait at all in order to collect your earnings. Furthermore, you will need to earn $2 at a minimum in order to be able to collect your earnings, which is indeed more than the previous website. But regardless, this site is a good one to use if you want to get paid in cryptocurrency. As far as what you have to do in order to get paid, it's watching video ads just like with the previous site. Something else this site has in common with LightGPT is that it's available in most countries around the globe as well. So you've got people getting paid from Canada, the US, countries in Europe like Spain, France, or Germany, countries in Africa, Asia. It's literally worldwide available, guys. And what I also found out on their payments page is that some people have actually made thousands of dollars. Now, obviously, that would have taken them a few weeks or perhaps months to reach. The point is, however, that you can get paid big money if you invest some time into this website, so it's definitely worth your time. Now, if you care to take a look at these payments yourselves, that's very simple. You just have to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Payments right here, which will redirect you to this particular page. As far as how you will get paid, this site has many different options to offer. If you aren't passionate about Bitcoin, you have other payment options like PayPal and such. Whichever one you want to choose is something I will leave completely up to you. As always, in order to get started with this, you just have to click on register in the upper right corner and create an account, and you'll be good to go. The last site I'll show you today, guys, is called coinpayu.com. And right off the bat, when you come on here, you will see one of the great things about this site, which is that you have various other cryptocurrencies available aside from just Bitcoin. You have Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and a few other ones. On this site, once again, you get paid by viewing advertisements, but that's not the only thing it has in common with the previous platforms. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see that it also has fantastic reviews. Said reviews coming from literally all around the globe, from North America to Europe, Asia, and beyond. To further solidify this site as indeed a legit one are these payment proofs, which you can check out by clicking here. And something that I really like about them is that you can click on these addresses and see that they're actual legit payments, not a scam or anything like that, and that's a very nice addition. Moreover, you can check out payments for the other available cryptocurrencies, so not just Bitcoin per se. Once again, guys, to get started with this site, you just have to create an account by clicking on register or join free right here, and that's it. And with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my upcoming uploads, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in some of my other videos.